We got this Big Boss turbo from PDI. We got it all installed, came as a full unit. We got that put on. Another important thing that we always check when a turbo failure happens is we check the intake. We probed down in here with the camera and found metal contamination inside the cooler. So he's gonna be getting a new cooler. We also like to check in the intake piping into the air cleaners and replace those and clear out all of the piping to make sure that it is all free from contamination and we don't have any issues moving forward with this new turbo.